Recently, mist shower rooms and BIBO systems, after undergoing strict final inspections, have been officially dispatched to the customer's project site. This delivery note once again demonstrates the strong product manufacturing and system integration capabilities of Suzhou Pharma Machinery in the field of high-end clean rooms. The mist shower room can instantly create a uniform and dense fog barrier, effectively isolating and removing dust particles carried by personnel or materials on their surfaces. The BIBO system is an aseptic transfer solution widely used in fields such as biopharmaceuticals. While maintaining a pressure difference balance, it enables the safe and aseptic transfer of items. Over the past 2 decades, Suzhou Pharma has successfully delivered more than 500 cleanroom projects. We are committed to being a trusted long-term partner for our clients, providing them with practical solutions rather than merely being a supplier of equipment or an engineering contractor.